Hello everyone, this is Dr. Preeti Saini, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Commerce and Management, Shri Rawatpura Sarkari University. Today we are going to study the topic primary data collection. Let us start with that. As for introductory part, the primary data are the first-hand data collected by the researchers for the first time and in original in nature. The researcher collects the fresh data when the research problem is unique and no related research work is done by any other person. The result of research are more accurate when the data is collected directly by the researcher, but however it is costly and time consuming. Now, what is primary data? Primary data collection methods can be divided into two groups, quantitative and qualitative. That is quantitative and qualitative. In short, primary data is firstly collected data, newly collected data and first party data. Quantitative data collection. It is based in mathematical calculation in various formats. Methods of quantitative data collections and analysis include questionnaire with close-ended questions, methods of correlation and regressions, mean median mode, and etc. Quantitative data are cheaper to apply and they can be applied within shorter duration of time compared to qualitative data. Moreover, due to high level of standardization and quantitative method, it is easy to make comparisons of finding. Qualitative data collection. Qualitative data is very closely associated with words, sound, feelings, motions, colors and other elements that are non-quantifiable or non-qualitable. Qualitative data study aims to ensure greater level of depth of understanding and qualitative data collection method which includes interview, questionnaire and open-ended questions, focus group, observation, game or role-playing, case study, etc. Note: your choice between quantitative and quantitative methods of data collection depends on area of your research and the nature of research aims and objectives. Method of primary data collections. Primary data collections method are different ways in which primary data can be collected. Interview. Interview is a method of data collection that involves two groups of people, where the first group in an interview and interviewee. The questions and response during an interview may be oral or verbal as the case may be. Interviews can be carried out in two ways: in-person interviews and telephonic interviews. And in-person interviews require an interviewer or a group of interviewees to ask questions from the interviewees in the face-to-face fashion. Observation. Observation method is mostly used in studies related to behavioral science. The researcher use observation as a scientific tool and method of data collection. Observation as a data collection tool is usually systematic, planned and subjected to check and controls. There are different approaches to the observation method: structured and unstructured, controlled or uncontrolled, participant, non-participant. How to collect primary data with FormPlus. Primary data can be collected with FormPlus using online survey or questionnaire. Create a questionnaire. You can choose to either create a questionnaire from scratches or take advantage of the available template from FormPlus. Advantage of data over data, that is advantage of primary data over secondary data. The first is specific. It is specify what the data is being collected. Accurate, ownership, up-to-date information, controlled. Thank you everyone.